What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a monumental day. We are unboxing a $17,500 Supreme Louis Vuitton mystery box. I did not think this day would ever come and that we'd get to this level of mystery box. One, me having the ability to spend as much money as I did to get this box, and two, unboxing a box that's worse. Like when I first did my first mystery box, I did a $100 mystery box, and I said if the video gets like 20,000 likes, I'll box a $3,000 mystery box. I shouldn't have been affording to buy the box at the time, and ended up paying off because the video did really well. Look where we are today. We're unboxing a $17,500 mystery box. I don't understand. Now, this mystery box is from Saru General. If you don't know Saru General, I've done a few mystery boxes with them already. They sell a lot of rare Supreme, a lot of rare base. They do drops every Sunday where they drop about 140 items weekly. They also sell mystery boxes, which they're known for making super rare mystery boxes. If you guys haven't seen that, I've done those videos before. Now, Saru General told me that there is an item in here for giveaway for you guys. Now, we're gonna be showing you guys that a little bit later in the video, and you'll see how to enter and how to get it, but just know that there's a giveaway in here. Alright guys, so I wanted to jump in here after filming the video with the giveaway information because I said a little bit later in the video, so I want to go ahead and show you guys now. We have two massive giveaways for you guys. I'm actually be giving away an item that came in the box from Supreme Louis Vuitton. I thought, and Saru General thought, it would be a great giveaway to go ahead and give you guys one of those. So this is actually a personal item of mine that I'm giving away. I'm not going to show you guys exactly what it is. I want to give you a little bit of a teaser just so you guys know that there is some stuff coming, some crazy stuff. Ooh, right there, you guys see that? I'm going to be giving this away as well as a $500 Saru General mystery box. This is one that they made, and you'll see a little bit later in the video what exactly it is. I'll give you a little bit of a teaser. Here's a little bit of good stuff in there. All you have to do for those giveaways is you have to, 1, subscribe to the channel, 2, follow me on Instagram, and number 3, follow Saru General on Instagram. Then you have to leave a comment down below that you entered the giveaway and which item you would prefer. We're gonna be picking 2 winners. We're gonna be picking the winners in 2 weeks time from the comments down below, so go ahead and enter. I wanted to jump in here and not wait to the end of the video, show you guys you can win some super dope. I can't believe I'm getting rid of that, but it's fire. I want to hook you guys up. Now, I want to be transparent that Saru General did give me a discount on this box. I didn't pay the full $17,500, but I'll just say that I paid anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 for this box. So I paid a whole lot of money. But the thing about this box is that it is hard to piece together something like this. These are such rare items. It's so hard to get. I've never seen a Supreme Louis Vuitton item here in Georgia at any of the sneaker store here. So this is very hard to curate, and this took 2.5 months to do, and I'll explain why and go through all that stuff here in a second. Now, I'm going to take my time with this box. I'm not going to be rushing through this to save time, whatever, because this is like a monumental. I think this is going to be the best mystery box on YouTube. I don't think anything is going to touch this. So an actual legit mystery box. People post like $250,000 mystery box. It's a new car they bought. This is legitimately a mystery box. I don't know what's in there. All I know is it's Supreme Louis Vuitton, and I'm excited to see. I want to explain to you guys how this came about because this is an insane box, and Saru General posted a story a few months back, and they said that they're about to start selling Supreme LV mystery boxes, and I hit them up. I said, bro, we need to do that because I had just posted my video of the mystery box we did before. So they sent me this picture of the box that was coming up, and I was like, you know what? We need to make this happen. I messaged them. I said, we need to run that. Like, we have to do something with that. So we talked about kind of where we want the price to land, and I basically said, I want to spend at least $15,000 because I want to top my most expensive that I have, which is $12,500. So we took a few months essentially to go ahead and curate the box. So he has to source these items. These are items you can't just go to the store and buy. He has to source them for the right price where it makes sense for him, and then he has to put it all together. Now, he also told me that he put a $2,000 mystery box for me personally here as a gift. So that's crazy in and by itself, and we have a giveaway item in here. I need to take a step back and realize what we're about to open because like there's not many places that have this many Supreme Louis Vuitton items in one, like in the same area. I think he said there's about 8 to 9 items in there. So plus the 2,000, there's a lot to go through. Of course, we're gonna be showing you some juicy shots of it as well. So I got my venti Starbucks ready, and let's do it. The time has come. I seriously have been waiting too long for this box. Like, I can't express my emotions. I'm so excited to open this and just see what we have. We're gonna be taking the items that we get in here, placing them on the wall as well so you guys can see them as we go, as well as put up a price sheet. Now again, these prices are gonna be here to there because you can't get these items till like the day has come. This has literally been 2 months to make. I paid for this box 2 months ago because it just took so long to get everything together. All right. Ooh, I already see some stuff there. Oh, some bake tape because we have another box. Looks like we have a box within a box, so it didn't get damaged. This off. Yup, we got another box with some baked tape on it. I'll flip this over. I hope this was treated well by the postal system. Here we go, guys. I think that's upside down. I do not want to open it upside down. Do it. We're cutting the baked tape, even though I love the baked tape. Now, I've been given some specific instruction that there is a camo box that is the giveaway. So I need to get that out of the way first and show you guys the giveaway. So that's what I'm instructed to do. Now, I need to make sure I'm not cutting anything in here. That would be a fat L. Here we go. Ooh. I see some orange that looks like a Louis Vuitton. So I see the camo here from the star, which I think this is the giveaway. Oh, what is that? So we have this massive camo box, and then it looks like the rest of the items are here. We have a price list. I'm not gonna open this up until the end. I don't wanna see what's inside here, so I'm gonna get the cameraman, and then we'll show you guys at the end. So let's go ahead and keep it moving. Let me show you guys a preview real quick of what we have. This is what I see here. You can see that there's this nice stuff going on. You got this. Now, he told me the giveaway is this camo box here, so I'm gonna put this to the side. We're gonna open the Supreme LV, then we're gonna open the mystery box for me. So I just read the instructions again. The giveaway item is within this box, and I think this is the gift box, a $2,000 box for me. So we're gonna put this to the side and wait till after we open the Supreme LV stuff. We're gonna just jump right into that. This is gonna be really cool as well. So let's just start moving on this. So I'm gonna put this box over here. We're gonna save that for after and show you guys the goods at the beginning. And I guess we're gonna start from the top like we have it here. Now, pricing these things is gonna be a little bit difficult, and we'll kind of go over that a little bit, but it's time to open this up and see what we got. I'm gonna start with this on the top, and I still can't believe this is happening. I see a few things here. Bunch of Supreme LV. It's like a bake wrap thing, and then something looks like a Supreme metal box. So I'm not sure what all this stuff is. I'm overwhelmed. We have $17,500 worth of stuff to kind of mess with. So let's first open this one here. I need to be careful. Where's the knife? Throw it over here. So let's go ahead, open this up. Careful, careful. I don't even want to mess up the LV packaging. The first item, guys, I'm gonna, I want to keep a lot of this stuff. This box would not be possible without you guys either, like supporting and watching the videos. Of course, I sell a lot of the items. I make it back from the ad revenue. Spending this much money, it's all putting it back into the videos. I get stuff like this. If I had to guess what was in here, I couldn't, because maybe a scarf. If I had to guess, it's going to be a scarf. Oh my god, what an item to start with, guys. Like, I've seen so many people flex this. The Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo t-shirt. Oh my lord. Like, I can't even. Like, to start it off, I can't even like get like scream excited. This is just nuts. I've not even seen this in person. This shirt retailed, it's brand new. Shirt retailed at, I think it was like, I don't know, $1,800. The Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo t-shirt. Ugh, I wonder what size this is. Looks a little small. I'm scared to wear it. Size large. I think that would fit me. It looks a little small, but it's a Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo t-shirt. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think that the items are going for, and then at the end, we'll tell you what they are going for. If I had to guess, this one is probably going for about $1,500. I think that the t-shirt's going for, maybe a little bit more. That's just kind of the value where I see it at. We got the Supreme bag here. Crazy. Crazy. We're gonna go ahead and hang this up on the sneaker wall over here. I don't want to mess this up. This is still technically dead stock. If it doesn't end up fitting me, screw it. I'm putting it on. Why am I putting it on the wall? This is a day I never thought would come. Oh, this is a soft shirt, honestly. I don't know if it's worth all that, you know, $1,000 retail, but this is what a shirt should properly fit me like. This actually does fit perfect. Oh, I'm wearing it. I'm not wimping out today and being scared to wear things because this is mine. I paid for it, and I want to keep a lot of this. So let's keep moving. I think I should just keep the order of the Louis Vuitton stuff and not go further. If he's gonna keep doing me like this. Ooh, I see a Supreme sticker in here. That's cool. Alrighty, let's go. Number 2, baby. This is such a good day. Like, what is my life? My job is to open up a box full of expensive things. Thank you guys for making this possible. Also, we're almost at 700,000 subs, so thank you guys for that. There was a lot of items that released, so this could be anything. It's just sourcing specific items is, I know, tough. Number 2. After spending, this box is extremely expensive. We have a piece of paper. Do I want to look at this? Probably not. No, 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 no. I think I got an itching for what this might be. No, no. Oh, guys. The Supreme LV shoulder bag. Oh my goodness. Tell me this isn't the biggest one. Like, come on. That is crazy. We have some other goodies in here. What is this? Ooh, that's a luggage tag for like a suitcase, Supreme LV luggage tag. I did not expect that to be in there. I had a feeling when I felt like this on the inside. Come on, we got, oh, is this a receipt? 9,700 DKK. If I had to guess this one, I know there's a bigger one. This is going for like $3,000 maybe. This one looks a little bit used. You can see a little bit of wear and tear there, but that's good for me because then I'll end up keeping it and using it. Supreme LV, this could fit like your phone in it. I'll grab my phone. Let's go ahead, this looks perfect. Put your phone, put your wallet. Going out, flexing. You guys know Louis Vuitton is known for their leather goods, so having stuff like this, you know it's good quality. This one I'll actually put up on the wall just to have. I want to start filling this up instead of wearing everything, and then we'll put this up there also. This looks brand new. 3 items deep. We got a lot of bags. We got a lot of good stuff. I'm gonna put this to the side, and this box is just going nuts. This box is going crazy. I don't want to open a massive thing next. Like, I'm trying to 3 more items here. Okay, I'm gonna go a small one. Maybe he wanted me to open this in a specific order, but I'm glad that those are the red ones. If I'm gonna have any, I like the red, the brighter over the black, because they have like, I think they have satin black colorway. Shout out Star General. Let's go ahead and put this on the wall. Sneaker wall. Let's open this up. This looks like it could be like a wallet or something. Like, this is how their card holders or something come in. This is a little bit bigger. Let's see what we got. Ooh, this is, ooh, this is a phone. What? Dang, this is the Louis Vuitton. It's like the phone, I guess, wallet. It has like a little like insert here. Phone though, this is not the thing for the, that's the problem with like buying like Louis Vuitton phone cases or anything, is making sure that they fit, but it actually fits the size good. But I don't know, how does it, oh, it's a magnet. It doesn't fit for my phone with the camera, but I mean, you could put your phone wallet, or if, I guess this is a good one for like a concert, and my phone actually has a magnet on the back, and I think that's, yeah, that's what's sticking. This is kind of like a magnet, or let me see what it looks like without this. Maybe just be sticky. It actually sits well in there, right there. Luckily, I don't have a newer phone and a bigger phone, because that's the only thing that I don't like about like buying like designer phone cases, is that for the most part, you're always gonna upgrade phones. Like, phones are always getting bigger, getting smaller, so it's hard to keep something like that, but this is definitely a cool piece right here. I think this is one that's not ridiculously priced. I'm still in shock at how much we're at and how much stuff we still have left. So we're gonna keep opening this up. Got a little bit of selection over there. We still got 2 things in here. We'll pull these out actually and put them to the side. Yep, the Supreme metal box. Move this box and go from here. Now we got 2 items left. Maybe there's multiple in each, so I'm gonna open this one. This looks like another like bag size. Let's see, let's pull this up. What do we got here? We have, ooh, this looks like brand new. Ooh, is this a scarf? Dang, look at that. Dang, it does not get cold enough here now. I need a freaking mannequin in here to just hold this stuff. Oh my God. Oh, you got the red and, oh, what in the world? Like, what is this? This is ridiculous. What is happening? I don't want to get rid of any of this stuff. I think we got one more here. This one has like a Supreme sticker on the inside. I don't know what relation this has. Maybe he's just throwing this in there, but this is a really cool sticker. You got like the tiger stripe. He has a lot of rare stickers too, which is cool. I've seen that world is yours. Let's open this boy up. Let's see what we got. Got to get the rest of this bubble wrap off and move from here. I'm just curious on like the order to open this stuff, because we have this stuff over here. I don't know if that correlates. I'm just confused. I can't really see, but I'm excited. Oh, what in the world are these? I was not expecting this. What the? I had no clue these existed. I don't know what these are. This is like a camo Supreme Louis Vuitton cargo pant. What a flip. Tell me what am I talking about? This. Oh, nice. I already got a mark on the shirt. How do I manage to get a mark on a t-shirt already? I'm putting these pants on. Look at these pants. When am I gonna wear these though? Like, these are sick, but like, when am I gonna wear that? That is crazy. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items Supreme Louis Vuitton. There might be more in here, so I don't know. I'm gonna keep opening this up. Maybe, but this is bape wrapped. I don't think he would do anything. Oh, never mind. I was just confused why there would be bape wrapping though. Maybe he was hiding this. Let's see. This looks like a small little box. I hope this is a wallet. You know what I'm saying? I hope this is a nice little wallet. Let's see what we got. Oh, I'm changing wallets. Sorry, Virgil. I got the Virgil Louis Vuitton. Oh my, guys, come on. Like, what is this? What, am I gonna go to the store? Like, I'm gonna be at lunch, put my, oh, I got my bag, got my phone, got my, this is nuts, guys. I'm so excited. The fact that he was able to source these things, like these pants, I didn't even know about these. Cameraman is freaking out right now because he wants all of this stuff.
I want that wallet.
Yeah, you're not getting it.
I need that wallet.
He's actually been talking about the black version of that wallet since he started filming for me. Like, he's like, oh, I want that wallet. Oh, 300 euros when it came out, August 2017. The fact that he got me all the red items is what's crazy to me. These pants have to be the most expensive out of all of them. We're gonna open this up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, and then after this, we're gonna show you guys some juicy shots of this, and then we're gonna open that up. I know this might be a longer video, but guys, this is a $17,000 mystery box. A metal box. I actually got this for retail when it first came out. I wonder what we got in here. Let's see. This box is actually brand new. It's nice to have a second. Oh, this is a metal box. I was expecting something to be inside of there, but that's cool. Another metal box. This is just a nice thing. I keep a lot of pictures of Sophie, my fiance, and I in here. Let's cut to some beautiful shots of all this good stuff. it's time, after seeing those beautiful shots, to show you guys. Actually, should we show the price list? No, because I think there's probably more stuff. Cameraman looked at the price list. I think the items from this are inside of that, so I don't want to see that. This looks like a bait box, which is kind of rare in and of itself. It's like a storage type box. This might have to be my tax box. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a nice little bait. So there's like another box in here. Ooh, we have a bait pillow. That's cool. It's a nice little set piece. All right, we got that there. And I believe this is which one is the giveaway item? I'm not sure, because there's another box in here, but there's so much stuff in here. I'm gonna have to figure this out. So this is the giveaway box. So I'm gonna open this up right, yep, it says it right there, giveaway box. I wanna open this now and tell you guys what we are giving away. So let's go ahead and show you what we got, because we wanna give back to you guys. All right, so what we are giving away is what is inside of this box. So I think what this is going to be a $500 mystery box for you guys with stuff inside. Now, we have a Bape truck right here. I've never seen this before. Type 2 limited edition. We have Bape bear brick inside. That is insane. I'm gonna pull that out. We're gonna have to retape this to ship it to one of you guys. We got the Bape bear brick there. And then we also have, ooh, a Supreme, what is this called? A sand lamp? Where it like, what is that called? Hourglass, Supreme Hourglass. It's Supreme back. That is sick. I believe this is a $500 value. All right, so this rest of the stuff is personal stuff for me apparently that he's gifting me. So we have a Supreme CDG shirt in a size large. What a nice gift. That's nuts. Check that out. Supreme CDG. I love that CDG collab. We have a Bape tee, which is in like this camo Bape. Oh, the next item. What? Star General. This was worth every penny. We got the Bape gradient right there. God, I know I paid a lot of money for this, but I could not have put this together myself. There's no way. We have a Supreme box logo crew neck right here. Cameraman's looking at me like, I need this. And then if this is what I think it is, a Supreme towel. It's summertime. You got the logo on there. Oh, this is a print. Oh, I could not have curated a better box for myself. Like, I literally do not know how this is gonna be topped. I don't think this can be topped. And a lot of these like stores and stuff are reaching out to me to make mystery boxes and they wanna like one up my last one. This can't be topped. Thank you, Star General, for making this happen. Thank you for finding the items, sourcing this together 2 months into making. As you guys can see, we have the nice little wall of stuff over here. We got the towel. This box logo is actually from 2003 as well. So it's now time to pull out the price list of everything that we got right here. So I'm finally getting to see this and see kind of where we're at and break it down. So we got the nice thing right here. Supreme Louis Vuitton, I can't even pronounce what that is. This bag right here, I believe, $4,500. $4,500 for that bag. Next on the list, the camo track pant, $4,500. Guys, I love these pants. I feel like if I'm gonna sell any items from this, it would be the pants, because where am I gonna wear these? $4,500 pants, I'm scared to wear, like I was scared to have the box on. Next up, we have the luggage tag, $800. This is going on the Supreme Ramoa. I think I'm gonna keep that, or I might sell that, because I think it would be cool to like get you guys some Supreme LV for a decent price. We got the phone case, which is $645. I probably will end up selling this, so you'll probably see this on my website. $645 is very reasonable. It's used as well, but it's not meant for my phone. This wallet right here, $2,700. That's a, as I throw it. After that, we have the box logo tee is $1,700. So the total value is $14,845, which is rounded to $15,000. And the extra box is that box logo from 2003, $750. Towel, $300, 2014. CDG crinkle tee, $370. Bape logo tee, $150. Metal box, $250. The pillow, $170. About $2,000 worth of stuff. And then the giveaway box is $500. So that's crazy. This is a call out to any of the hypebeast stores, anything like that. Who can make a better mystery box? I don't think that this can be topped. And if you think you can top it, send me an email. I have a business email in the description. If you guys think that you can top this, let me know, because I don't think this can be topped. This is holding, I don't see it happen. I think that's gonna wrap it up for the video though, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.